yet again from Fix Trading. Yet again I am back and I will be doing my weekly breakdown on GBPUSD, EURUSD, US30 and as well gold. As you can see, gold as well was in a massive consolidation area in these last 2 weeks. Let's see what the market actually has in store for us. And yet again, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think this will be the last week that I actually will be doing currencies. But let's see, I'll keep you guys updated with that. But yet again, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you shortly on the charts. See you just now.
What's up, traders? It's Wade here yet again. As you guys can see, we are currently on the charts. I will be starting with gold on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, as always, I just want to ask you guys to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Guys, I'm currently starting on gold. As you guys can see, this is just more or less my weekly breakdown to more or less see where the market might be going for this coming week. You guys don't need to take any of these trades. As always, I ask you guys, please risk the amount in the market that you can afford to lose, and as well follow your own analysis as well. Like I said, this is more or less just what I'll be looking for this week. And as well, please follow all your trading rules always. Sometimes as humans, we actually do sometimes break our rules, but it's a human thing. But try not to. Always have a trading journal with you as well, just to document more or less why you take your wins and why you take your losses as well, and how you can improve as a trader every single day. All right, guys, for gold currently, as you guys can see, for this last 2 weeks after this spike to the upside, we actually saw gold being in this consolidation zone between 2525 and 2500. So if you guys actually break it down to the lower time, which is an hour, you guys don't see much going on unless more or less seeing that here is actually levels of support if you look at the hourly time frame. But I'm not going to look at that currently. So I'm going to look at the 4-hourly time frame. For now, I'm still on a 50-50 on gold. I'll have to wait and see where the levels of support or resistance are going to break, which is 2500, 2525. So for this coming week, I'm still on standby on gold. If I have to see any sell trades or take any sell trades on gold, I'll have to see a break below this level of support, breaking this level of support, forming new levels of resistance, and then from there on hopefully seeing a rejection and then a push down to this level at 2475. I will not continue pushing it further down unless it actually breaks this level of support. So from there on, market can actually reject here and then continue and start pushing to the upside. So I'll have to wait and see what gold wants to actually show or do for this coming week. As well, gold can actually decide to reject this level at 2500 and actually continue pushing to the upside. So it's something that a person needs to wait for. Yes, we saw massive rejections at 2525. So if in hindsight, I'm hoping for a pull to the downside and a break of levels of support, and hopefully forming new levels of resistance and then pushing further down to the downside at 2475, making lower lows and lower highs. So right, guys, that is me for gold for this coming week. So like I said, I'm still at a 50-50, hopefully waiting for certain levels to break. But as you guys can see, we have been seeing massive rejection at 2525 and not a push further to the upside. So let's see what happens on gold for this coming week. Let's go to EURUSD, EU. All right, on EU, EU actually decided to break levels of support, hopefully waiting for a pullback until these levels of 1.11093, and then from there on actually a rejection and then a push further to the downside at 1.09841. So for this coming week on EURUSD EU, I will not be looking for any buy trades. I'll actually be looking for sell trades, hoping that your moving averages actually as well supports a support level and pushes off of that moving average and actually starts pushing further down, respecting the moving average and the support level as using it as a support level. That's a lot of words. Either way, I will be looking for sell trades on EURUSD. It's actually not that complicated. So if I actually see a break above 1.11093, then from there on, obviously a pullback to new levels of support and then a continuation into the upside. But since levels of support were broken, hopefully I will see a rejection, a pullback, rejection, and then a push down to lower lows at 1.09841. All right, let's go to GBPUSD as well. On the 4-hour, we saw actually levels of support breaking on a lower time frame, but if you go to the daily time frame on GBPUSD, you actually see a level of support way down here below at 1.372. So for this coming week, I'm hoping, or like predicting more or less, that markets are actually going to pull down to these lows at 1.372. So for me to do this, I'll have to break it down to lower time frames. I'm gonna just move this here to lower time frames, hopefully a pullback onto an hour or 30-minute resistance level, and then a rejection, and then an actual pullback down onto levels of 1.372. So this is something more or less that I will be waiting for markets actually to reject, pull back up, reject levels of resistance, and then push further down to the downside. EURUSD or GBPUSD can actually pull back until these levels of 1.31788, and then from there on actually reject and start pushing to the downside. So this is something that I will be looking for on GBPUSD as well. I will be looking for sell trades, no buy trades. If I have to look for certain buy trades, I'll have to wait until levels of the 1.32238 actually to break, which is this level right here, before actually looking for any buy trades on GBPUSD. I hope that is clear, guys, as well. Like I said, if you look at the daily time frame, support level is way down here below, which it most likely will probably retest. So we'll most likely see market push further down to the downside at 1.372, and then from there on reject and push further to the upside. So on a higher time frame, it's still bullish. So let's go to everyone else's favorite. This is US30. All right, on US30 currently, if I go to the daily as well, if I just have to look at this market structure here currently as a support level being way down here below, most likely US30 will pull back into these levels, and then from there on actually continue pushing to the upside, because this is a support level on gold, on US30, sorry. This is a support level on US30, which is at 41008.26. So right, on this specific level, if I have to look for any sell trades, I'll have to wait for this level actually to break. So for now, looking just at the market structure currently, the market is still rejecting of this level of resistance. So hopefully once it pulls back, it will probably reject yet again and then start pushing to the upside. So for now on US30, currently just looking for buys, because it's currently in a bullish market and not in a bearish market. So once it moves into a bearish market, it will most likely break levels of 41008, pull back up, reject, and then from there on actually start pushing further to the downside, making lower lows and lower highs. So for now, seeing markets making higher highs and higher lows, I will be looking for buy trades until market decides otherwise and actually starts pushing further down to the downside. All right, guys, that's me for this coming week. I hope it was clear, and as well, enjoy the week, and yet again, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then yet again, I'll see you guys soon. Have an amazing week, and I hope that you all make loads of money. See you guys yet again.